Party is now defending the Bhau Bhau antiques, and this is coming in from Pawan Khera, who has said that he would have done the same. He says that I was coughing, but otherwise I would have actually given the same response as Renuka Chaudhary. Let's connect with Isha on this. Isha, I mean, is it not comical or in a way serious as it can get? We are talking about the parliament of the country, no less, and coming in from the people there who actually, the parliamentarians there who actually represent the people of the country. Is it now being reduced to a joke?
Amita, no apology whatsoever from the Congress party for flouting norms. In fact, they're only enabling the behavior. In fact, Renuka Chaudhary, when was also confronted by Times Now, she said that there are several other things that happen in the parliament. There were violations that were made in the past as well. So only whataboutery is what the Congress party has resorted to. They have not said anything about the fact that Renuka Chaudhary might have made a mistake and also did something which was not allowed. In fact, Rahul Gandhi as well inquired that, oh, is it not allowed? In fact, BJP has been launching a scathing attack over this for the longest time. They have been stating that the Congress party, this reeks of their elitism and the fact that they ill-treat the people around them. In fact, Renuka Chaudhary stated about the bite as well, about how people in the parliament bite and the dog doesn't bite is also does raise its questions here as well.
So, kaatne wala kaun or dasne wala kaun, where as far as the Congress MP is concerned, seems to have found backers within her own party, but also now seems to be covering up in a way to call herself as an animal rights activist and an animal lover. But this is where the controversy, where it began.
आने की तैयारी कर रही है बीजेपी, क्या कहेंगे आप?
और क्या बोले?
आने की तैयारी कर रही है बीजेपी, क्या कहेंगे आप?
और क्या बोले?
आने की तैयारी कर रही है बीजेपी, क्या कहेंगे आप?
और क्या बोले?
उसमें तो चर्चा हो गई, उन्होंने आज जवाब बड़ा अच्छा दिया, उसमें बड़ा अच्छा जवाब दिया। मुझे लगता है उसके बाद कोई जवाब देने लायक बचता ही नहीं है। मेरे को तो खांसी भी हो रही नहीं तो मैं भी जवाब दे देता। मैं खांसता हूं तो भी ऐसे लगेगा आपको कि मैं भी वही कर रहा हूं। उसमें तो चर्चा हो गई, उन्होंने आज जवाब बड़ा अच्छा दिया, उसमें बड़ा अच्छा जवाब दिया। मुझे लगता है उसके बाद कोई जवाब देने लायक बचता ही नहीं है। मेरे को तो खांसी भी हो रही नहीं तो मैं भी जवाब दे देता। मैं खांसता हूं तो भी ऐसे लगेगा आपको कि मैं भी वही कर रहा हूं। उसमें तो चर्चा हो गई, उन्होंने आज जवाब बड़ा अच्छा दिया, उसमें बड़ा अच्छा जवाब दिया। मुझे लगता है उसके बाद कोई जवाब देने लायक बचता ही नहीं है। मेरे को तो खांसी भी हो रही नहीं तो मैं भी जवाब दे देता। मैं खांसता हूं तो भी ऐसे लगेगा आपको कि मैं भी वही कर रहा हूं।
Well, जवाब बहुत अच्छा दिया है on part of Renuka Chaudhary as far as the Congress party and its spokesperson coming out to defend the Bhau Bhau remarks, in a way suggesting that he would have done the same if such kind of a question was posed to him. So is this where, as far as when it comes to the politics and the democracy, is now being reduced to a joke, and mimicking our dog barking is something that the Congress party is now reducing itself to the drama which the Prime Minister exactly talked about? But this seems to be, as far as when it comes to the Congress party, in a way that they now seem to be defending the Congress MP and her behavior, and that too over a question with regard to the other parliamentarians as well, but the Congress party doesn't have any clear answers on that. Exactly who was she referring to when it comes to katne wale and dasne wale? But in that very same response, if when it comes to mulling of a privilege motion against her, this has been the kind of response that generated such kind of an outrage on part of the BJP as well. Congress party doesn't seem to have any problem with that. In fact, they believe that this is a befitting response that has now been given by Renuka Chaudhary herself, saying that he would have done the same if the same question was posed before him, and that is Pawan Khera of the Congress party. We'll get you that. Politically, this story is getting bigger. Back after a short break. You're watching Times Now.